for a spinal cord injury to happen. The statistics in the United States is that a spinal cord injury happens every 38 minutes. So spinal cord injury is not a rare condition. But do you know anybody else? Have you seen anybody else in a wheelchair? Do you know anybody else who is working, who are doing productive things, getting married? No. Most people with spinal cord injuries in India don't make it alive for more than a year or two because of lack of resources, because of lack of support, because of lack of emergency medical care, because of lack of rehabilitation. So many things lacking that it's shocking. I found out that if I need to go and stay in a home when my parents cannot take care of me, there is not even one long-term rehabilitation center in all of India. There is no place for me in India. The day my mother can't care for me, I can only go to the streets or I can commit suicide. I decided this is not acceptable. We are 1/5 of the world's population. And the woman can be in Bombay or Delhi, in Jammu and Kashmir or Kanyakumari, and there's nowhere for her to go. This award is not for me. I represent an entire invisible section of society. I hope that through me, we can somehow do something so that they get basic quality of life. They get some opportunities so that they can have employment, education, entrepreneurship. They need to have some financial stability so that they can make a life of themselves. Soulfree's vision is to have an inclusive township where these people with severe disabilities, wheelchair users, not the wheelchair bound. We are wheelchair users who can be productive members of society if we are given a chance. So like the doctor said, we cannot do anything by ourselves. I started Soulfree to set souls free. So many souls are being imprisoned in their own bodies and stigmatized by society and forced to commit suicide. We need help to set these souls free. Please help us. Please support our cause. Thank you.